But you know, people they always talk about, oh, they feel this sensation of burning in the middle of their spine. I don't feel nothing. I felt some electricity at the beginning. I remember kind of like a pressure. Sometimes I feel it. I don't feel no fire going up, nothing, but I can't feel no burn. It's gonna go there, or maybe I can't feel it. I mean, I don't know. What do you think?
Yeah, oh, it's there. It's there. You're just very fortunate that you don't get to burn.
Oh, okay.
Burn. Yeah, some people
Awesome.
can really burn.
But I want to feel the burn, you know?
No, you don't.
I want to know what it what it is, you know?
Yeah, I understand. I understand. Be careful what you ask for. I mean, I think it was Jiddu Krishnamurti is a great spiritual teacher. I believe he describes like he would just jump in the river and nothing would bring relief to the heat. There's no relief. I think you're being treated, very gently and if anything, say a little prayer and say, "Oh, thank you.
Thank
I
you
don't
for
need to
that.
burn. I don't need to burn." We may feel heat and shifts like that now and then. It's can come and go. But yeah, some people will describe all sorts of things, and we may not experience this. And that it's not indicative of what stage we are at, whether they're ahead, whether they're behind, whether they're doing something, going through a different type of awakening process. It really doesn't matter too much. Ultimately, the practices are the same for us no matter what is really happening, which is we allow, we observe, we take care of ourselves through, the best that we can, do some gentle movements, meditation, etc. Um, we don't want to get too caught up in the details. I like to say that this is like puberty. We don't want to be the 10-year-old saying, "Oh, what happened to you? I got, I have hair on my legs and you don't, and this and that." It's like it's just going to cause problems. It'll cause insecurity. It'll cause you to doubt yourself, all sorts of things like that, right? And this is part of why within some traditions, they actually don't talk about this stuff. It's very personal, very quiet. For a few reasons, of course, it can make you, think you're special. It can make you think things are, you're a victim because your awakening is worse than the person next to you. It can also confuse. That's why they give general practices that apply universally here, which are what you seem to be, doing because your process is unfolding as it should. And the way you've described as well, the energy seems to be moving through your entire body. I would say, at least if you ask me, your Kundalini is awakened. It's not just activated, it's awakened. Just trust the process. It will unfold just like puberty, just like puberty. Not much different.
Thank you so much.
You're welcome. You're welcome.